In today's video, I'm going to be announcing the winner of this CNC machine mill vise stop. Hey guys, welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron. Exciting news today. Today is the free giveaway day for Easter for the month of April. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you've probably noticed that I've had all these little CNC machine mill vise stops anodized in red and laser engraved, and they come out looking really schmick. Now, thanks to everyone who's entered. The competition was quite simple. To enter, all you had to do was comment on the video, and then by running the YouTube random comment generator, I was able to pull a winner from each one of those 5 videos that I uploaded. I'm proud to say that on the first video that I uploaded, the winner was Cape Cod CNC. Then, would you believe, on the second video that I uploaded, the random generator also picked Cape Cod CNC. So Cape Cod CNC, you've got 2 entries today, so you might have a better chance of winning. I'd just like to clarify, I have the Chihuahua on hand. He's the official adjudicator today. He'll be checking the prize, make sure I'm doing it to government standards. On the third video was Mike from Blue Hands Video. On the fourth video, the YouTube random generator picked Macon 16. And on the 5th and final video that I uploaded was Justin Bell. So okay guys, without further ado, let's pick it. Let's see who the winner was. Mossy, it's time to perform, mate. You got to hop up. I tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, it's hard to get good help. Eh? I pay this Chihuahua a lot of money, and look at him sleeping on the job. Who are you going to pick, mate? Give it a good stir. Who are you going to pick? Put your nose in there. Okay. The Chihuahua has picked this one out of the hat, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a look who it is. Yeah, you can go back to sleep now. Thank you for your help. Justin Bell, congratulations, mate. You have won the free giveaway for April. I do apologise to the other people that were in the hat and didn't make it. So what I'll do for you guys, I'm going to be sending you a free sticker and a Lucky 7 domino that I'll machine. Now, I haven't got any of these Lucky 7s left. Let me just pull one down here. And these Lucky 7s, guys, this is, I'll try and get a better shot off screen here later. I machined a heap of these and sent them over to, when I was over in Vegas, and handed them out. And I actually engraved the DCT in the back using a ball nose end mill. I was also lucky enough that I made a batch I actually made four batches of CNC dominoes. I sent one to Andy Cunningham, who's a manager over here for Autodesk in Sydney. I also gave one to Rod Hunt, and I also gave a set to Matthew McKnight. Now, the 4th set was taken from Australia all the way over to Pier 9, over to actually the Autodesk office, which is above the gallery. It was called the Fusion 360 Petting Zoo, and I'll put some photos in there. So I'm super stoked that my little dominoes have made them all the way over to the States to be, how would you say, presented to the staff there to play with during their lunchtime and break times. Thanks very much, guys. I'll have another video up at the end of the week. I'll be machining some vise handles, some speed handles, and that's a viewer request machining video. So make sure you come back for that. And I'll probably be giving one of those away next month too, okay, in May. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and please like, subscribe, and share my video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Mossy, are you just gonna lay there all day, mate, or what? Come on, we need to get some editing done here.